I'm Rob. I'm a former internet CEO and attorney, now fund manager.
And I'm Maria Helmick, former banker. Today we're going to talk about NVDA. Yes, my favorite. I'm going to give you two of our bullish plays. Earnings is Wednesday after close. Optimal entry time will be Wednesday at 9:35 a.m. to 11 a.m. Here are the two trades, one low risk and one high risk. Why I'm bullish? The dark pool has been continuing to explode. Even this morning, not this evening, when I had checked the AI, she checked the dark pool and it is continuing to increase. Only issue there is we just don't know whether they're buying or they're selling. We just don't know which way it's going to go. 50+% trades are off the exchange. Like I said, we just don't know. They're just not showing us. Big money institutions are positioning. NVIDIA moves big on earnings and there's a strong AI demand. So here's the low risk trade. It's called a bull put spread, and you're going to do this for November 21st DTE. So you're not going to be in this long. You're going to be in it for 2 days, and that's when you're going to crush that volatility. You're going to, because after the second or third day, it's like letting the air out of a balloon. So you're going to go in early, and you're going to get out just 2 days later. Just crush it. So what you're going to do is you're going to sell a 187.5 put. You're going to buy a 182.5 put. You're going to get a credit of 230 to 260. Your buying power is, 268. You're going to have a pop of around 50%, and your break even point is 185.20. It wins if NVIDIA rises, is flat, or dips slightly, so you have a pretty good chance.
Now on these, this is a setup on Tasty, so you can see it right here. You're going to sell the 187.5. You're going to buy the 182.5. You can see that we're going to have a buying power of 268. Your max profit is 233, and your max loss is 267. So that's why it's kind of a balanced trade. And here's the risk analysis chart. If you never use these on Tasty, they're pretty sweet. This one shows you can make 235 if you're up in this range. You'll lose 265 if you're down in this range. It's pretty self-explanatory. Maria, what else you got?
Well, now we're going to have a high-risk trade, a bull call spread. Same DTE, November 21st. Only this one, you're going to buy a 190 call, and you're going to sell a 205 call. The debit is going to be $4.05. However, your max profit on this is going to be $1,100. Your break-even point is 195. This is what I would call your home run play. It's a high risk, but high reward.
Here we are on the Tasty chart again, or the Tasty trading platform. You can see you're going to sell the 205 this time, the further out of the money. You're going to buy the 190, so that's going to be a debit spread. The other one was a credit spread. And again, you can see down here the buying power is going to be 405 because it's a debit spread. That's your max loss. But look at this baby. $1,095 is your max profit. And here's the risk analysis chart. You can see to the downside, you've got limited risk of the 405 that you originally went in at. And you can make that $1,100, that sweet, sweet money, going to the top side.
So remember, the best time to enter would be Wednesday morning, 9:35 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. IV is going to be maxed bulging. The spreads are going to be tight, and that's when you're going to get your best fills. NVIDIA fills tight. Remember, always try for more than the midpoint. I always try, whatever it is, a penny, 2 pennies, whatever you could squeeze out of them. However, just remember on Wednesday morning, the numbers may shift a little bit, but the setup will remain the same. Check back for updates on Wednesday morning, and we'll talk about it then.
Yeah, we'll have updates if the numbers change dramatically. We'll do a quick video on Wednesday morning. At any rate, hope that you have a great trading day. This is Rob and Maria Trades. We never ask for money. We do ask that you give us any comments down below. Tell us the type of videos that you want. And if you like more videos with just Maria or more videos with just Rob, God forbid, or if you like the videos, which I like the best, is Maria and Rob together, just let us know. We'd really appreciate it in the comments.
And go NVIDIA!
Go NVIDIA!